Hello everybody, my name is Jonathan Moxey, and I'm going to talk about our enhancements to window positioning in D3 Plot and TS19. The first thing that I'd like to show you is how windows can be positioned in version 18.1. Here I have a D3 Plot TS Link session open with a few views and curves loaded in. Let's say, however, that I'd like to reorder or resize one of my windows so that I can alter my workspace. I can achieve this by clicking on the window of interest, dragging it to wherever I want to put it, and then rescaling it to any size that I choose. However, doing this can be quite a laborious task and can take a while. In effect, the window is floating in free space, making it harder to position neatly alongside the other windows. In version 19, we wanted to make this process a lot more user-friendly and intuitive to use. You can now see the same layout that I had in version 18, but now in version 19. In version 19, windows are now aware of their other neighboring windows. When I hover over the common borders between the windows, you'll see that three colors get highlighted. Pink indicates that we can directly drag the two windows that share this border. Blue will let you drag the full common border for all windows. And green will let you drag both the horizontal and vertical borders between all windows which share those borders, like so. Furthermore, we have now implemented functionality which will let you quickly snap a window to a grid position. If I click and drag a window over another window, you'll see a blue outline indicating its destination. When I let go, the window will take its place, and the other windows will now shuffle around in order to accommodate the change. In addition to the window positioning changes, there are further enhancements to the window layout menu. In version 19, we now have a Basic and Advanced tab within the window layout menu. In the Basic tab, you're still able to use the predefined automatic layout controls as in previous versions. You are now also able to control the ordering of windows and graphs from the list below. For example, I can change the ordering of window 1 and graph 1, and the changes will then take effect in the main graphics area. In the Advanced tab, you gain full control over exactly which windows and graphs are present in each page. These can also be repositioned in this menu on a page-by-page basis. If I want to have a second page with only graph 2 and window 1, I can achieve this by inserting them like so. You can then navigate between the pages to see how those pages appear by using the appropriate buttons located in the top right-hand side of D3 Plot. Finally, you can also find options to switch the default mode for snapping windows from Insert to Swap, which will make the source and destination windows swap places with one another. Thank you for listening.